Rhino is initially from the Free State, and is now a resident here in
Sorry about that, viewers.
Yes. As I mentioned, I'm now a permanent resident here in Durban.
Alright. So, what is a new stock college about?
New Stock Rentals is a multi-million company that was formed in 2016, and we do nationwide coverage of major airports. We also do
Okay. Sorry to keep the second going to privacy because of the sound. It's allowed.
Okay, so I will just for the viewers.
Yes, please.
New Stock Rentals is a multi-award winning company that was founded in 2016, and we actually specialize in car rentals nationwide in major airports. We also do constructions here in Shasta to the hotel, from the hotel to the airport. We also do travel packages for clients by organizing them for accommodation and even about activities to do as they do their own holiday.
The reason why you cannot disclose all those so, what is so, multi-award
Yes.
is it enough?
The business coach program is being taken up quite well. We are quite fortunate in this because I think people have been learning. So people are coming out in numbers. So which is really good for us. The last 2.5 years have been at night.
So, the storm, so you guys, right?
Yes.
The Devon storms is very effective. So there was a Devon storm about a week or 2 weeks ago.
It's 2 weeks.
Yeah, 2 weeks ago. Massive storm that destroyed the majority of the cities and as well as unfortunately we were going to go through the process of the storms. Trying to recover from it
I must say,
No,
it has
not
been
yet.
a very effective incident, and not
Remember you from Hey, we must have done it. This is Come on.
having their family.
Yeah,
Very traumatic.
I know the person who brings students.
Oh,
yes. Oh, yeah, I joined you for the myself. Yeah. This guy, the first
So
one.
many roads have been affected, not
Still, yeah. All nice.
so many roads have been affected. So in that sense, our business is going to see a bit of a decline due to expensive.
Yeah, we understand.
You know, it's not my fault.
Okay.
But I'm glad now we are on the other side of it. The sun is shining.
the sun is shining and the millionaires
Yes.
people came out
Only Rhino. Let's help you with this.
so I'm not asking so
Yes. Yes. big five, eh?
It's a big five. Not only the men's club, but
Yo,
ladies, like
really appreciate it. Thank you.
how can we get over?
Yes, we are on all social platforms, social media platforms as Lido Star Arkansas. You can also check our website out and make bookings. You can call us on 065 821 2559. Also, you can WhatsApp us on the same number. And for emails, you can email info@neostar.co.za and we'll gladly assist you.
Thank you. And he's a rep from Harrisburg and surrounding areas.
Adios. Thank you.
Four, three, two.
Also having one of those crazy days. I didn't realize these bloody things are like 15 minutes.
Good day, Harrisburg podcast. Viewers, and this is Lungi. This is Lungi Kiza from Harrisburg Power Podcast. We are here in Travel Indaba in Durban. This is literally 2 weeks after the storm. So, but it is packed. No storm against us or stop us from supporting the tourism sector. So with me here, I've got a wine. So we all love it, right?
Hi, Lucy. It's lovely to meet you. I'm doing well, and look how vibrant and Durban.
So,
I'm Kathy Entwistle. I'm coming to you all the way from Wellington in the Western Cape, from the Winelands, Baldashore, and we're here representing our 4- and 5-star hotel on the estate, as well as our 2 restaurants to spa, as well as mountain experiences. So there's a lot going on just an hour from Cape Town in our beautiful valley.
I thought it was really about, I'm sorry, but a whole package going on here. So, if you get there, you're not going to get bored. You're not only going to drink wine, but leisure. Right?
Got it.
So how long have you done this?
So this is our 16th Indaba. So we're doing pretty well, and we're just so glad we are still here after this terrible pandemic, along with all our colleagues, and being able to bring tourism not only to our South Africans but to the world.
How much
Well, for us it was the worst of both because we're obviously in the wine industry and in tourism. So between the bans and obviously having no visitors, it's been a really tough 2 years. And I think everybody else will also attest to that. But here we are, we're going to get it started again, kickstart tourism, both locally. And thank you guys out there who've been visiting us. We need you. We need you. Come visit us down here in Cape Town. And thank you. And yeah, hopefully we'll see a lot more of our internationals coming back to our country.
Thank you very much, Harrisburg Power Podcast viewers. I'm leaving with this. Thank you so much for watching. How can we get hold of you?
Okay, so best is to visit our website, which is www.vdcwines.com. So just like our name, vdcwines.com.
You heard that? You cannot miss it. Okay, thank you so much for coming through. And see you.
I'll see you at 5 o'clock for drinks.